Hey everyone, got a new phone and want to move your phone number to it? Here's how to transfer it easily. Let's get started. So, if you're using a physical SIM card, you can remove the SIM from your old iPhone using the SIM ejector pin. Then, insert the same SIM card into your new iPhone. And that's it. Your number will automatically transfer. And also, if you're using an eSIM, just go to the settings and click cellular and tap add eSIM. Then choose transfer from another iPhone and follow the on-screen steps to confirm the transfer. And wait for a moment for activation, and you'll know that it's successful once your network signal appears. And that's it. Your phone number is now active on your new iPhone, ready to call, text, and use data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.